So you might be in this really random situation where for some reason Apple Music is just not playing any music. Now it's crazy because that kind of defeats the purpose, but this kind of stuff happens all the time. So number one, what you want to start off by doing is you want to try opening up the Apple Music application. So open up the app and you want to see what exactly is the problem. If you do not have a subscription for Apple Music, meaning if you're not paying any money to go ahead and actually use Apple Music, well, that is going to be the main problem that you're running into. So the very first thing you're going to want to try doing here is you actually want to go ahead and pay for Apple Music. So have that subscription plan, and then what you can start doing there is you can start listening to Apple Music stuff, you can start searching for songs, and you should be able to see that. And this little pop-up where it says get 3 free months will then go away. Now, if you do that, and for some reason Apple Music is still not working for you, the next thing I'd recommend doing is going to a website like downdetector.com. You can also go to some other websites. You can also go to Apple's server page. But what you want to do is you want to make your way over into one of these types of websites that shows you what servers are up and down. So in this case, you can see this website is telling me that, all these things are down. Wix is down, on Verizon a little bit. You want to see if Apple is down or Apple Music is down. If Apple or Apple Music, or even if like iMessage or FaceTime or those things are turned off or servers are down, your best bet is to probably wait until Apple ends up fixing their servers, and then you can go and go and see if that ends up fixing the problem. But if that still doesn't end up fixing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing is opening up your settings application. So come right into the settings app, which is right here. Scroll down until you get into your general settings, which is right here. Click on software update, and then go and see which updates you have. If there's an update available for your phone, go ahead and update your device, and I don't guarantee you, but that is another way to go and fix this problem as well. So those are a few different ways of going about doing it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, not me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.